Hello everyone, wishing you and your family a very happy, healthy and safe Diwali. For all the diabetic and hypertensive and the heart patients, Diwali is today. So we have to control our food intake, our diet intake, our sugar intake, our cholesterol intake. Yes, we have to celebrate Diwali with our family members. We have to have fun with them, enjoy with them, talk with them. But control our sugar levels and cholesterol levels as well. We have to make changes, simple changes like instead of taking sugar sweets, you have to make it jaggery sweets. Oily substance, make it instead of maida based, change it to flour based, wheat flour based. You can have ragi laddus, millet based laddus, something like that, healthy items. In that way, you can control your sugar levels, you can cholesterol levels, and you can have communication with your family members. So Diwali is more like a vibrant, colorful Diwali. Instead of harming your body, change items. Just simple tips to protect you and your family members from some harmful things. Youngsters, kiddos are there, they are very excited when bursting crackers. Some people just burst crackers in their hands, they don't have precaution. So youngsters, kiddos have to burst crackers under the supervision of their parents. They have to be very careful in bursting crackers. They have to wear nylon, instead of wearing nylon clothes, wear proper cotton clothes. Nylon clothes can burn easily. You have to protect your eyes. How do you protect your eyes? Wear spectacles. Be very careful while bursting crackers. Protect your ears. More than 30 decibel of hearing thing can cause hearing sudden loss. In elderly people can cause severe headaches, severe brain damage. So elderly people totally avoid going outside. Avoid loud noises, other things. Protect your skin. Irritant dermatitis, simple things can be caused by the crackers powder. It is very harmful. It can lead to skin damage. Wear proper clothing. Protect your lungs. There are many asthmatic patients. Even non-asthmatic patients can cause breathlessness, severe breathing difficulties. Wear masks to protect yourself. These simple tips can be helpful for you and your family members. Just have a safe and healthy Diwali. Thank you.
VS Hospitals wishes you happy and prosperous Diwali wishes.
VS Hospitals. Care, cure and compassion.